Were you ever faced with a decision that was tough and made you feel very stressed because you were just not sure what was the right way to go? In this video, we are talking about that topic because we all face it at some point. After all, making tough decisions is a crucial part of our personal and professional lives. Whether it is a career change, a big move, or a difficult personal situation, these decisions can feel like they carry the weight of the world. Am I right? But don't worry, today we are starting a two-part series to help you navigate those tough moments and make those decisions with confidence and certainty. So let's get started. Life throws a lot of choices our way, and let's face it, some of them can make us pretty stressed. Decisions that we have to make that are challenging, complex, and carry significant consequences. When it comes to making difficult choices, many of us struggle with fear of failure. What if I make the wrong decision? What if I regret it later? These thoughts can be overwhelming, causing us to procrastinate or avoid making a decision altogether. Some overthink or overanalyze any decision, which will paralyze them. Some may even fear success, worried about the responsibilities and changes that come with it. Then there are others who struggle with indecisiveness, constantly second-guessing themselves and seeking others' validation. And lastly, there's the fear of uncertainty, where we hesitate to make a decision because we are unsure of the outcome. Sound familiar? You're not alone. The truth is, making decisions, especially tough ones, is like a muscle. The more you practice, the stronger you get. So how can we overcome these common struggles and make decisions like a pro? Well, here are some tips for you. The first step is tackling a tough decision is understanding it completely. This means asking yourself some key questions about that decision. Does this decision need to be made immediately, or do I have time to think about it? What are my options? What are the potential consequences of each option? Are there any irreversible elements involved? Meaning, are there elements that cannot be changed once that decision is made? So, for example, if you think about switching careers, that's a big decision, isn't it? It comes with uncertainty about future success and financial stability. There is also the emotional side, which is leaving a familiar environment and dealing with the fear of failure. There are practical considerations, including the impact on your family and on your personal life, and the loss of your current job benefits. There are long-term implications that involve changes to your career trajectory and the effort needed to build a reputation in a new field. Now, let's say you are planning to start a new business, or moving to a new city, or maybe you are planning to get married, or in a relationship, having kids, not having kids. Those are tough decisions because they will change life as you know it. Getting clear on these points helps you see the full picture. Basically, whatever the tough decision you have to make, understanding it fully and understanding the scope and impact of the decision is the first step you need to take. Start by checking the pros and cons of the decision. That will help you. Let me share a bit about my own journey. I've made some tough decisions over the years. I left some good jobs, worked for great companies, had great salaries, and I gave up all of that to become an entrepreneur. I made a decision, a tough one. I studied to be a lawyer, but I decided an entrepreneur was all I wanted to be, so I made a decision. I moved countries many times, which is not easy. You have to get used to it and learn a lot every time you do it. And I did it. I made a decision. I've had several companies over the years. I've been an entrepreneur since 2006. Every time I started a new one, or I closed one, or sold one, I had to make a decision. A tough decision. These were tough decisions I had to make. Scary at times. But they end up being the best choices I've ever made. Were those decisions easy? No. Were they worth it? Absolutely. Over time, I learned how to face those tough choices And while it never gets easy, you do get better at it. Making these decisions helped me grow and created a life I'm proud of. And you can do the same. So, step 1 is to truly understand the decision you are facing. Break it down, analyze it, consider the pros and cons. Making tough decisions is not just essentially for our growth, but also leads to a more fulfilling life. In the next video, I'll explore strategies for gathering information, weighing options, and aligning your decisions with your values and goals. So don't miss it. I'm Mollen. Thanks for watching.